Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change back button position on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to change the back button position on your device allows for customization and adaptation to your preferred usage style. And also, by adjusting the position of the back button, you can optimize the accessibility of your device navigation system. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Well, so here you can select display option. Okay, after that scroll down this page until you find navigation bar menu, tap on it. Okay, so now click more options and then you can choose the one that you are more comfortable using. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change back button position on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.